In December of 22, in the midst of the most deadly drug epidemic the country has ever seen, fentanyl being the overwhelming majority cause of that drug epidemic, Attorney General Merrick Garland put a memo out, and this memo is a public document. Anybody can go look at it, www.justice.gov. It's on there. The name of the document is Additional Department Policies Regarding Charging, Pleas, and Sentencing in Drug Cases. And what this did was talked about cases where there is a minimum mandatory quantity of drugs. Years ago, lawmakers created a law, and it said if you are charged with possession with intent to distribute of this quantity of drugs, the minimum mandatory penalty will be 10 years in prison. And just to give an idea about what those quantities are, for fentanyl, if I told you, Mark, 4,000 fentanyl pills, right? So that would be about 400 grams of fentanyl, 4,000 fentanyl pills. That's a 10-year charge. To me, that's a pretty significant quantity the General did in this memo. And here's a quote from the memo. Prosecutors should decline to charge the quantity necessary to trigger a mandatory minimum sentence. My belief is this administration, for whatever reason, is not big on accountability. They don't want to incarcerate people for drug crimes. And it's surprising to me that at this point in time, with more Americans dying than ever before, they could make this decision to put out a memorandum and instruct prosecutors not to file these charges.